Top 5 scariest siren sounds in the world. If the last one doesn't scare you, you are immune to fear. 1. EOWS 612. Its deep, haunting tone makes it one of the most unsettling sirens ever. 2. Zero drone. This siren sounds like something straight out of a nightmare. The 3. WS 3000. An eerie warning sound that makes you feel like danger is closing. 4. Hurricane 130. Used for extreme weather alerts. This one will send chills down your spine. 5. WS 2000R. A terrifying mechanical wail that makes you want to run for cover.